Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am gonna review this LED face mask by Hottoerak. I truly hope I pronounce it right. I tried to find the right way to pronounce it, but I hope it's okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter. What really matters is that this mask works. So this is a red light therapy, and I'll tell you all the details a little bit later in the video. First of all, I truly want to show you the mask itself. So this is how it looks like. It is made of a very smooth, really nice to touch silicone material. It just feels so very nice. The inside as well feels super nice on your face. Comes with your eyes protectors, so the red light therapy won't hurt your eyes by any means. This mask is 100% safe to use. I am using this mask for the last 2 weeks and I've seen a great improvement in my skin. My skin basically looks smoother, my skin looks less wrinkled, my face looks less puffy, less tired. I just feel like I look more refreshed, look a little bit younger, a little bit like more energized, and I just feel like this mask make a great difference. It's also really great at the whitening effect. Even though we don't appreciate the white skin type of cosmetics here in the West, it is more appreciated at the Asia countries, but still the whitening effect is really great. And even that no one want to be white, but it's still good for our skin to produce more collagen and so very on. I'll tell you all the details about this high technology, this mask works really soon. Just stay tuned. It comes with a remote right here. This is how you turn it on, and you can control the straightness of the mask, make it higher or lower. Also, you have a built-in timer, so you can put the timer on 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, and so very on, as well as you can exit from everything. And yeah, this mask just works so very cool. Look on that, isn't it cool? This mask is so very unique because it comes with a remote right here, but what's super cool about this mask is the fact that it is coming with a power bank. This is a 6,000 milliampere power bank, so you can move freely all around your house, all around whatever with this mask. It's absolutely portable. You can take this one with you anywhere you are going, any type of traveling, camping, office, home, your friend's party, whatever. You can basically take this one with you anywhere you're going. It's super lightweight and the power bank works forever. The power bank is super cool. It actually have 2 USB entrances. You can easily charge it by this entrance. It obviously came with a charging cable. And what's super cool about this power bank is the fact that it is coming with a light. Ta-da-da! Lights are on. Lights are off. So you can use this one as a light as well. Isn't it so very cool? This one can be used with 2 USB devices simultaneously. So yeah, it's just an amazing great addition to this LED mask. When I saw this power bank, I was like, wow, this is what I called a genius upgrade to this portable, absolutely portable LED mask. So this mask is applied in an easy way. It is coming with these straps, which these are removable and like detachable. So anytime you can take them off to wash them or do with them whatever, you can adjust the size of the straps easily because these are all adjustable, these are all customizable. These comes to the back of your head, while this comes from your forehead as well. This LED face mask works so very great. So guys, here it comes. Let me tell you all the details about the high technology of the red light therapy this mask works on. Plus, I'll show you the before and after and the unboxing and the using in action. So let's get started. So this is a red light therapy for face by Hottoerak. This is an LED red light and it works on the 660 and near infrared 850 nanometers. This is the best combination of a wavelength for the therapy for our face. Red light therapy for the face can solve various skin problems by leaving us, the users, with elastic and youthful, refreshed skin. I'm telling you guys, I've seen a great result. This is so very portable and definitely you can take this one with you anywhere you are going. It comes with a portable power supply with humanized design so that you can go do yoga, sauna, you can exercise, you can walk around and so very on without any type of a pressure while enjoying a light therapy mask. This is soft and lightweight type of a therapy for our face. The mask is made of a soft material which fits better to the facial skin. It's absolutely safe to use, and if I'm gonna compare this one to other complex and bulky masks, this Hottoerak therapy face mask is soft, light and so very easy to carry. carry as well as to use. For best results, it is recommended to use this mask while you are laying down and relaxing for 15 to 20 minutes at least for 3 to 4 times a week. This mask is good for all skin types, so it doesn't matter what type of skin you are having, you can use this one for sure. This Hottoerak red light therapy mask using the photodynamic theory to activate the deep cells in our face. This type of a therapy turning the process of a beauty into a process of enjoyment. So this mask have 148 pieces of a 660 nanomillimeters of a red light LEDs lights, as well as it is having a 74 pieces of an 850 nanometers near infrared light LEDs. So this light goes through the epidermis layer of our skin to the dermis layer, and it is affecting the hypodermis layer and the muscles. So as a result, it works amazing as an anti-aging mask. It's smoothing your skin, it's whitening your skin, and just bringing an amazing results. 660 nanometers is the visible red light, while the 850 nanometer is the invisible white light that we don't see, but it works while you are applying it onto your skin. It's amazing for all the possible problems with your skin. Like if you're having an oily skin, it's gonna fix it. Great for acne, great for any type of pigmentation to remove it, like spots, great for pores, for wrinkles. It is smoothing the fine lines, smoothing the wrinkles around our faces. Also, it can even heal the bloodshot on our face. You should apply this mask on a clean and dry skin only. Then you just simply adjusting the eye pads and the mask, apply it on yourself and follow your normal skincare routine. If you are using a dry skin, you can use a moisturizing spray before the use of this mask. After the therapy, you should use a water-based rag or wet wipe to clean the mask and make sure that the mask is disconnected from the power supply while cleaning. Now, you definitely don't have to use this mask via the power bank that it came with. You can simply connect it to the power source, like to a socket, and of course that you can also just use it from a socket. You don't have to use the power bank, but power bank is definitely so very comfortable. Like I wouldn't know or think why would you like to not use the power bank, honestly, because it's like I've never seen such a like genius thing before, like having the power bank just to be able to carry this one all around. It's just great. Now, after using this mask, it seems like my skin texture is significantly and in a great way more even in tone. Like I had some pigmentation from being burned at the Caribbean Sea under the sun, so I've got this pigmentation basically gone. It was something that like basically was visible to me only, but it's gone. So now my skin is more even in a tone and in a texture. Overall, I can see an improvement in the tightness of my skin. I also feel like my old pimple scars, like old acne scars that I had before, they became like smoother and they're like more like, you know, evenly with my skin. So the scars looks a little bit better. Also, I've noticed that any dark like areas around my face, they've also gone and basically went away. So I am using this one for just 2 weeks and I've already seen some results. So guys, here is the before and after. Please let me know your opinion. I honestly think that I have a like whiter skin, like my skin looks whiter, my skin looks smoother. I feel like to the touch of the feeling, my skin feels like more tightened and like I feel like my skin looks glowing, and I definitely can see like some great improvements, some like less visible improvements, but they're definitely there. Red light therapy also known to increase the production of a collagen, so it is also works as an anti-aging product as well. It is helps with skin tone and texture as well as with the fine lines and wrinkles. So red light therapy is definitely good for our skin and it is a great device to use home. So you can use this mask without leaving your home, which basically gonna save your time, gonna save your money. There is no need to go to the super expensive beauty salons to let them take care of your skin. You can do it all inside of your home once again by saving your valuable money, by saving your valuable time. You can just simply lay and relax or put this mask and go do whatever you want around the house while this mask is on. It's up to you. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check out this mask and please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this video of mine. You've seen this already, but oh my god, look how cool this is. Isn't it so very cool? So guys, I definitely saw a great difference on my skin from using this one only for 2 weeks. So I will highly recommend you guys to check this one out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. I'll leave you all the necessary information, like all the coupon codes, links, discount codes, promotions, sales, every possible thing that you can use to save your money and to easily find this product on the shelves of any type of online web platform. I will leave you all the information down below in the description box. So guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Please let me know what do you think. Please let me know if you've ever used or heard about red light therapy. And yeah, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.